Yep. There's
for presentation, if you have time to listen.
So there's Julie signing in. It's only been 40 years in the making, but here she is.
Do we need our registration? This is Mike starting, signing in. He is number 551. We're going to weigh our packs in just a minute.
That's just lack of knowledge. You want to try to help him out.
Hey, no way, 23.15. Mike is putting on his hiker tag and he is number 551. Zip line that bad boy.
Zip.
Or zip tie that bad boy.
'There's Julie. We're on the first white blaze. I guess we'll follow that white blaze for the next 6 months or so. We just hiked up. We're gonna start the trail tomorrow, and today is we're just pounding out Springer Mountain, but we're ready. 2,193 miles to go. So we just finished off first mile of Springer Mountain, a mile up and a mile back. Tomorrow we get dropped off here in the parking lot and we go north until we get to, well, whenever, 7 or 8 miles. But
To the shelter.
to the shelter, trying to get to Hawk Mountain. That's our goal tomorrow, Hawk Mountain Shelter.
Hey viewers, this is Megan. I am Mike and Julie's oldest daughter, and here they are at the gate. We have some people coming through the gate, and they're beginning their trek. 2190.9 to Mount Katahdin.
Begins. It's a really beautiful falls. We're in the famous Amicaloa Lodge. We're going to have some dinner tonight with our daughter and her friend. This is the map that everyone takes a look at. I can't even get it all in the same picture. How about that? But you know what? It's really a lot of miles, but as we look at it, we're doing a number of 3-day hikes. We're going to hike 3 days, hike 3 days, hike 3 days, hike 3 days, and eventually we'll get all the way up there to Maine. Wow, it's really pretty here. We just did a little bit of the, tiny bit of the approach trail, and Megan and her friend did all the steps, but we didn't, because we'd already done enough today.